सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 70. सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धिर्द्रव्यस्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्त वेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं नमस्तोऽन्यत् इति मे निश्चितामतिः। Page number 70, topic 116 at the bottom. Guru Seva Kramah. Guru Seva Kramah Shri Sadguru Labhottarakshane Tad Darshanamatraat Sashtangam Namaskritya Tad Charana Kamala Rajamsim Parishuddhatamani Shottamange Dharayet Shottamange Dharayet Paschat Sadguru Prasadat Bandha Mochana Kankshi Janakankshi तीव्रतरा मुमुक्षु गुरुकुले ब्रह्मचारी वसेत मुमुक्षु गुरुकुले ब्रह्मचारी तस्मै स्वशरीर मनोवाग्धनादीनि समर्पयेत्। Nischala-dasa, before entering the proper text Vichara-sagara, he is highlighting the Guru's characteristics and Sishya's, the disciples' characteristics. Guru Lakshanam and Sishya Lakshanam. Afterwards, Guru Upasadanam, Shravanam, listening from the Guru is very, very important, he said. And after approaching Guru, how one should serve to one's own Guru, he is talking now. The Paddhati, Kramaha means Paddhati, Guru Seva Kramaha, the method of serving the Guru. How to serve Guru, he is going to explain in 3 ways. He explained here, Guru Labhottarakshane, the moment you got a Guru, you come to know, come in contact with a Guru, Labha Uttarakshane, immediately. What you have to do, Tad Darshana Matrat, after seeing the Guru, you have to do Sashtanga Namaskar. Sashtangam Namaskritya. Ladies in Panchanga Namaskaram. Gents Sashtanga Namaskaram if they don't have knee pain and back pain. Otherwise, they can also do normal Namaskara, standing Namaskara. Not Sashtanga Namaskara, but standing Namaskara, permitted. Therefore, don't take Nischala-dasa's words exactly. Otherwise, I will be in trouble. I have to help the student to get up. Okay. Namaskritya. This namaskara is for brahmachari. He is telling the one who is going to Gurukula, unmarried person, brahmachari, very young age. For that brahmachari only this is advice. Okay. Namaskritya. Afterwards, what you have to do? Tat charana kamala rajamsi. That Guru's, the dust of the feet from that Guru. Not exactly feet, the rajas, as though if you touch it, some dust will be there, that you can touch to your head, to your eyes. He says, Parishuddha tamani, that holy particles of dust from the Guru's feet. Even Guru's feet, wherever Guru is walking, after walking you can touch that place, because there will be a dust. Already Guru walked in that place, so that you can take, and that's why you have to walk behind the Guru. And touching that place also you can do. Sottamange dharayet, touch to your head. Uttamanga means siras. Upon your head you can wear that rajamsi, that dhuli. Paschat, afterwards, Sadguru Sadguru Prasadat. After approaching Guru in this manner, by the blessings of the Guru, Prasada means here, not any sundal or any prasadam. He is not going to give prasadam, but just blessings. Sadguru Prasadat, Bandhamochana Akankshi. All the way have approached Guru for what purpose? Bandha mochana, desirous of, akankshi means desirous. You, the brahmachari, the student has to be desirous of freedom from bandha, bondage. Bandha mochana, mochana means freedom. Bandha means bondage. Akankshi, what type of student this student is now? Tivratara mumukshu guru kule brahmachari vaset. Remaining, he has to remain in the Gurukulam. You know, this is not relevant for all you all. It is only for that student who is staying in the ashram, Gurukulam. With Tivra mumukshutvam, he has to remain. For how you have to apply, remain in your house, but Tivra mumukshutvam is common. What? For brahmachari who is living in Gurukulam also, or the grihastha who is staying in his own house also, Tivra mumukshutvam, Tivra means intense, mumukshutvam, desire for moksha. Gurukule brahmachari vaset, grihastha-ashrami grihe vaset. I have to say now. Okay. Tasmai Swashariram. Tasmai means to such a Guru. Once you approach, Swashariram mano vak dhanadini samarpayet. You have to offer to that Guru. Having said brahmachari vaset, then later portion is talking about sannyasi Guru and grihastha Guru. Two types of Guru he is talking. What you have to samarpayet, he says, swashariram, means your own body. Physically you have to serve the Guru ityarthaha. Swashariram means sharira dvara you have to serve the Guru, therefore you have to surrender physically also. Mano vak, manas, mentally also you surrender. Vak means verbally also you surrender. Dhanadini, all other wealth, possessions you have to samarpayet. All you have to offer to such a Guru. Then he is going to explain these words. Swashariram, Sharirarpanam, Mano Arpanam, Dhana Arpanam. What do you mean that? Vag Arpanam. 4 types of Arpanam. 4 types of offerings to one's own Guru. Now we will read this portion. Up to here we saw in the last class. Topic 117. Sharirarpanam Shri Sadgurorabhim Abhimata Sushrusham Sadgurorabhimata Sushrusham Bahutaram Krutva Managapi Tadajnanatilanganena Vartanameva Sharirarpanamityuchyate. Sharirarpanam, offering one's own body, physical body. Here Sharira means Sthula Shariram. How one should offer? Sri Sadguroho Abhimata Susrusham. Whatever Abhimata means the Guru, what he or she desire. Abhimata means they give some work to you. You do this work, can you do this work? Like that. Going to some place or doing some other work physically. Giving time, dedication of one's own time for Guru. Oh Guru, I can give 1 hour time for you. I can spend 1 hour time. Like that, Shishya should not say. Shishya should feel, can I do some service? I can also give 1 hour time, 2 hours time or 3 hours, once in a week, once in a day. Like that, we can give time for Guru. Whatever the work required, what you can do, that work Guru will allot. We have to ask the Guru. If you don't ask, Guru will not. Guru sees our interest. Whether this person is interested or not, otherwise how can Guru says, oh, this person is interested. If I say also this person will do, therefore Guru has to feel that inside, in the mind. And our feel, he has to feel, we have to behave in such a way, because we have to wait and see and be with Guru, then only Guru can know. We have time and he can do it. Confidence. Bahutaram Krutva. Having done lot of work for Guru, Bahutaram Krutva. Managapi tadajna nadilanghanena. Without missing his commandments. Anati langhanena, ajnanati langhanena means, ajna means command. Without missing the command of that Guru, even a wee bit, when Guru says, I can't do, I will not do, it is not possible, somehow or other I escape, suppose, that is not right. Okay, adhika managapi means even a wee bit of Guru's order I should not violate. That he says that student, the disciple should not say no, I cannot do. If at all the student cannot do, the reason, proper reason, we have to tell to the Guru. If at all, generally teacher, Guru won't ask. If at all Guru asks, the student will do definitely. 99% confidence is there, only Guru will ask. By mistake Guru asks, student is not able to do that, it should not happen like that. Managapi, even a wee bit of that commandment should not be violated. Must be that commandment of Guru, of your teacher, should not be missed. A single commandment of your own Guru should not be missed. You have to follow without missing that. Vartanameva, one has to follow. Then only that reverence towards Guru comes. That respect towards Guru only help us to develop respect towards the teaching. Respect towards the teaching alone will help us to get knowledge. On the way to get the benefit of knowledge. Vartanameva. Sharirarpanam iti uchyate. That alone is called Sharirarpanam. Wholeheartedly I have to do. Long time also, somehow some difficulties will come. Still, I am ready to do to my Guru. Like that, that student, disciple should think in the mind. That is called Sharirarpanam. Physically serving to one's own Guru, one way or other, whatever we can do. That is very important. Then next one, 118 topic. Manotpanam Brahma Vishnu Shivatmaka eva Sri Sadgurur Nanyaha iti Manasa Nischitya Tasmin Paramam Bhaktim Prematishayam Chakrutva Yatha Tasya Kripa Katakshaha Swasmin Patete Tatha Tam Anuvartete Swapnepi tasmin dosha drishtim na kuryat Sayeva harihi haro brahma Ganga suryaha iti Vijaniyat Niratisaya kshemarthi mumukshuhu Sri Sadguroho Swarupam Hridi Dharayan Sada Tameva Dhyayet Etat Sarvam Manorpanam Uchyate Manorpanam, offering one's own mind. How you offer your mind? Mind is not an abstract thing. Mind, it is not a concrete object or substance to offer like a flower. But how you can offer mind in this manner? In your thought pattern, your thoughts should be like this, he is telling. Brahma Vishnu Shivatmakaha eva Sri Sadguruhu na anyaha. My Guru is none other than, na anyaha, none other than Brahma Vishnu Shivatmakaha. Brahman alone is my Guru, Brahma and Vishnu. Vishnu is, my Guru is Vishnu. My Guru is Shivaha. This much bhavana should be there. How great it is, that bhavana. Shivatmakaha is up in the form of. My Guru is in none other than who is in the form of Shiva, Vishnu, Brahma. Eva Anyaha Sri Sadguroho na Anyaha. Sri Sadguruhu is that only, not anyone else. Manasa Nischitya, mentally, wholeheartedly, I should feel either she or he, that Guru whom I have accepted as my Guru and I want to get Bandha Mochanam, I should look at that Guru who is removing my Ajnanam. Nischitya Tasmin Paramam Bhakting, upon that Guru, Tasmin Paramam Bhakting, supreme devotion, intense devotion, supreme devotion. One has to Krutva, one has to maintain that devotion. There is one number on Bhakti. 9 types of Bhakti towards God we talk. Once Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Shiva, then Guru also must be worshipped in 9 forms. What are the 9 forms given in the footnote? Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho. Normally, Ishvara Prarthana, Vishnoho we say. Here he removed that Vishnoho. Gurum iti. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Chaiva, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. Have you got that? Where is it? Footnote. Number 1. Shravanam, listening to that Guru, is one type of devotion. 9 types of devotion you should have. Shravanam, when my Guru is talking, giving lectures, teaching, that should be heard. Kirtanam, I should praise my Guru. Kirtanam. Smaranam, remembering my Guru all the time. Smaranam. Padasevanam, serving at the feet of the Guru. Padasevanam. Padasevanam, pressing the legs, washing the feet, or some Padasevanam means only not Padam. Serving the Guru, Nath. Padasevanam. Archanam, offering flowers at the feet of Guru. That is also Archanam. Vandanam, Namaskara, doing Namaskara to Guru. Dasyam, serving like a servant. How our servant serve for us. Like that I have to serve my Guru as a servant. I should not feel bad, this work to be done, why I have to do this work, why I alone have to do, why others not. I have to feel, to be proud that I am fortunate, I have got opportunity to wash this, to clean this, or to do this, that work and all. So, previously one student was there. He silently takes the care of class at the age of 75. He never opened his mouth. He attends all classes and he takes care of the class arrangements. And I never knew how class is going on. No any difficulty at all. And even bathrooms also. He himself, sometimes servant won't come, he himself wash and put phenyl and all. And I really admire the serving nature. I am not asking you to do that, because I have to remember him. What a service he has done. Many years he did. Silently he does arrangements, everything, that any problem should not come to me. So it should not reach to Swamini. Silently used to, many of you know him also. Like that, somebody is taking care of a class also now. The class is going on, like Rita is taking, no. Everything she comes and her mind is always towards the class only. All the time she comes from the distance, arrange the class and goes if she is not well also. Really all these are all because of God's grace going on. It is not just like that I am coming and teaching. To see everything what is in that place is not easy. By that time exactly to start by 6 o'clock means everything has to be ready. It is not so easy. At that age to come and doing the Shraddha Bhakti, all the way to bless that person. Because the context has come, I have to see that, appreciate their devotion, their surrender to the work silently, without any exhibition. That is a great, I can call a skill also, and a great the devotion towards service, towards what is happening here, that is there. I am very happy. Many of you are doing in many other ways also. I am telling regarding the class, I am telling. Okay, one class to conduct, so many things we have to take care of, including electrician she takes care of. Even bulb, fan, everything she takes care of. Somehow or other she is managing from so many years. I am very happy that. Okay, so then tasmin paramam bhaktim prematishayam cha krutva. Prematishayam means unconditional love, premadisayam, pleasing the Guru. I am not doing the work for pleasing. I do, it is my duty, it is my privilege, it is an opportunity. I am very happy with humility, I perform that. The pleasing automatically happens. May never do for pleasing. Pleasing automatically happens as you are doing the necessity work of that Guru. Guru will get that love for that disciple natural. Even the Guru has got love towards all students, and the Guru will have extra love, naturally, unconditional love. That student also, without having any conditions, loving the teacher, bhakti, prema, bhakti. Guru also will, what the Guru will does, and see that student, he says next, tasya kripa katakshaha swasmin patet. That student, the vision of that Guru, kripa kataksha, karuna kataksham, with a kind a glance of that Guru fall on that student natural. How much this student is serving, how much this student is doing naturally. Guru katakshaha swasmin patet. That much extent we have to do. Attending the class itself, great service. Okay. Therefore, whoever attends the class, the Guru's kataksha will fall on that student. Clear? So, Guru kataksha swasmin patet. When the student pleases the Guru by doing service, mentally, manasa, thinking that Guru, I am talking about the Sharir Arpanam. I said the service of those students, that is Sharir Arpanam, connected to Sharir Arpanam. Now this is about mentally also. Some students may not do physically Sharir Arpanam because of age, because of health, because of any reason. But Mano Arpanam everyone can do. Mentally, this bhavana, Hara, Vishnu, Shiva, iti bhavana, everyone can do. Bhakti, everyone can have. Love, everyone can have. Tadha, yatha, tasya. When that Guru kataksha will fall on that student in such a way, the student has to feel its face is the index of the mind. How much love is there, bhakti is there for the student upon the Guru. Guru knows. How much Shraddha Bhakti is there, Guru knows. The face pathale terinjadam. And face is the index of the mind. Mind is, thoughts are like this. What? My Guru is Shiva, my Guru is Vishnu, my Guru is Hare. All Hara, and all Guru, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, my Guru, that feeling, that bhakti, that Shraddha, all are reflecting in the face. Tam anuvarteta tadha. Then that Sishya follows the Guru in that manner and regularly. Swapne api tasmin dosha drishtim na kuryad. Even in dream, Swapne api, the student should not point out, even Manasa also, dosha darshanam should not be there. Dosha darshanam. Dosha means shortcomings, mistakes, or any shortcomings of that Guru, some doshas, because Guru is also a human being. Only Ishvara is 100% perfect. No human being can be 100% perfect. Therefore, Guru, he or she, also can have their own limitations. That doshas we should not think in our mind. They should not come, even Swapnam also vadakudada. How strict he is saying. Swapne api tasmin, that means in Guru, dosha drishtim na kuryat. One should not have that dosha drishti. Guru have done this mistake, that mistake. We should not think at all. Kuryat. Saeva Harihi. My Guru alone is Hari. Hara, Shiva, Brahma, Ganga, Suryaha, Sun, Ganga, river, Brahmaji iti vijaniyat. That student should know. And he has given the footnote also. What do you mean by that Harihi? Number 2, Tippani. On Hari there is a number 2. The Tippani is given, a very interesting Tippani. I will read, just listen. If you have book, you can see. Sri Sadguru yada sishye prasanno bhavati tada saha Vishnu rupena vartate. When Guru is prasannaha, calm, and is relaxing, very happy mood. Guru kuda mood irukku illaya. So he is very, very happy, jovial today, so smiling and so much of laughing. Prasannaha na, appo at the time my Guru is Vishnu and nenchuko. Then what? Yada Tippani. Yada kruddhaha stada shivarupena. Once he is anger, very shouting, or some anger he is having, suppose Shivarupena Rudra. Oh, my Guru is Shivarupam today. Why my Guru got anger? Why Guru should not get anger? Don't think like that. My Guru is like Shivatandavam Madri, iniki Shivane apdi vanditan nenchuko. Okay. Yada Rajasa Vyaparena Yuktaha Tada Brahma Rupena. Very, very active, hyperactive, doing this and that. Lot of Rajoguna is too dominant at that time. Oh, Brahmaji, today my Guru is Brahmaji. Up you are seeing Shiva, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara all the time. Guru has to be either one of this. Clear. And then yada prashantaha sada tada Ganga rupena. When Guru is so calm, pleasant, that time Ganga river, like my Guru is like a Ganga river today. Yada Vedanta Vakya Kiranaihi Sishya Brahma Samshayadi Sahita Ajnanam Nissesham Nivartayati Tada Surya. When the Guru is removing that Sishya's Ajnanam, ignorance, by his Kiranams, teachings like Kiranams like teachings, rays. That what the rays also does, they also remove the dirt. They clean the place. Like that here also, Guru's words are removing my Ajnanam. Therefore, at that time my Guru is what? Surya. In Guru Stotram also we chant Vedambuja Surya. That just as the lotus blossom because of sun rays, similarly because of my Guru's teaching, my mind also blossom, my intellect blossom. Nissesham nivartayati iti tada surya rupena vartate iti vigneyam. Appadi nenichuko Guru. Don't see Guru as an ordinary human being. And solrar, na sollala. Ivar solrar. Na sonna namba matten. It's not a joke. Yadrishi Shraddha Yadrishi Bhavana Yasya Siddhir Bhavati Tadrishi. What you think, so you become. Like that. Itham Brahmanishte Sri Sadguru Sishyena Sakshad Ishvara Buddhihi Karya. One has to see Guru Sakshat Ishvara, Paramatma. Whether the Guru is male or female, doesn't matter. Who is teaching to me Shastra from so many years, untiringly. Who will teach otherwise? Sakshat Bhagavan has come in this form. Ippadipattu bhakti irkanam Guru mele. Karya. Swapnepi tad dosha grahina na bhavyam. Even dream also we should not think about the mistakes of the Guru. Gnana labhaya gnana vaptaye prak Guru sevyaha. Now we look into the moolam that na karyam karya na kuryat saeva harihi haro brahma ganga suryaha iti Vijaniyat, may you know that Guru is all this. Niratishaya Kshemarthi Mumukshuhu. Who should see the Guru like this? Whoever is interested, Mumukshuhu, desirous of moksha, Mumukshuhu, Niratisaya Moksharthi, Niratisaya Kshemarthi. Niratisaya means that ultimate, that which is the top priority. There is nothing else other than that. Kshemam means what? Auspicious. What is auspicious in one's life? Moksha is auspicious. Removal of ajnanam is auspicious. The one who removes all my fears, misconceptions, all my limitations, all my fear, everything he removes. That Guru Niratishaya Kshemarthi Mumukshu. The student should be like this first. Appudan the Guru value theriyum. If I am a mumukshu, Tibra mumukshu, if I am interested in that final moksha, ultimate goal of my life, then I know the value of the Guru. If I don't know my destination, my goal is not clear for me, I never have a value towards the Guru. Even Guru is there teaching, but I can never have that value. How the child knows the value of 2000 rupees? Child cannot know. Therefore, child cannot protect the 2000 of rupees. Even though it is there, gold biscuit is there, child do not know. Unless I become a real pramata, a real moksharthi, I can never develop any reverence towards Guru. Impossible. I have to become a real mumukshu. There is a real necessity for me to study Shastra, love Shastra. Therefore, I love my Guru. If I don't have love for Shastra, I can never love my Guru. Impossible. Even I love also, that love is not perfect love. That's why love on Shastra is love on the Guru. Understand? Iti Niratishaya Moksharthi Mumukshuhu Sri Sadguroho Swarupam, that Swarupam of that Guru. That's why keeping Guru's photo at home and daily doing puja and remembering his face, remembering his form all the time. Kannu thoranda kannu munda Guru da vararu manaskulla appadi irukanum. My mind has to be saturated with my Guru. My mind has to be filled with my Guru. Nothing else. I don't want anything. That much love should be there. Swarupam Hridi Dharayan. Hridi, in the heart. I have to keep all the time. Wherever. Hridi means Hridayam Dharayan. Keeping that Guru in one's own heart. Sada Tameva Dhyayed. First Dharanam, then Dhyanam. Once you keep the Guru inside your heart only, you can do Dhyanam. Otherwise, how can you meditate upon the Guru? Meditate upon the Guru means think about the Guru all the time. When can I think I can value my Guru? When I value the teaching, the worth of the teaching, then only the value for Guru will increase more and more. Dharayet. Etat sarvam manorpanam uchyate. All these are come under manorpanam, offering my mind to the Guru. Because my Guru mind is, nothing is there in my mind other than my Guru. Kashtam da. See, the Guru, Daiva Bhakti is there before. No one was there in my mind other than God. Now that God, that mind is there, that God will show the Guru. Then nobody is there in my mind other than Guru. Yeah, that God whom I have worshipped has come like this Guru. Now he is sitting in my mind. That much devotion called Manorpanam. If that is there, Vichara Sagara will work. Otherwise it is only an academic some information which cannot bring transformation in our behavior. Understand? However much you listen to cassettes, CDs, writing notes, attending classes won't work. That's why Guru's blessings required. Guru's blessings come only by Sharira Arpanam, Mano Arpanam. Then next one, 119 topic. Vagarpanam Yanyasmakam sucharitani Tani tvayopasyani Ityadi shrutyukta prakarena Shri Sadguru prarabdha karmadhina Shariradhigata Guna Gana Kirtana Mantara Tannishta Doshanam Anucharanameva Vagarpana Muchyate. Offering my walk, speech to my Guru. How can I offer my speech to my Guru? Acharya says here, Nischaladasa, Vargappana means, he quotes from Taittiriya Upanishad, Siksha Valli. Tai, she is there. Tai means Taittiriya Upanishad, she means Siksha Valli. First Valli, 11th Anuvaka, second mantra. Yanyasmaka gumsu charitani tani stvayopasyani no itarani. Whatever good noble actions we have done, my dear Sishya, you do that only. In Siksha Valli, once this brahmachari goes to Gurukula, after studying that Shastra, the Sishya is going to come out. After that, what you can call degree is over, he is coming out. That the Guru says, Sishya, you are going out now from Gurukulam. When you are in Gurukulam, you might have seen me from many years. So many doshas are also mistakes I might have done, suppose, but don't follow them. You follow what are all noble things, noble actions I have done, that only you follow. That's why he says, Yani asmakam sucharitani. Sucharitani means noble actions, whatever I have done. See how honest the Guru is. Guru is so honest. Whatever noble actions done by us, asmakam, yani, tani, tvaya se, tvani, tvaya, upasyani. That only you follow, not any other wrong action. Suppose that all I have done, you should not do that. Ityadi Shruti Ukta Prakarena. Shruti said in this manner some words, statements said by Upanishad. Similarly, Sri Sadguru Prarabdha Karmadhina Sharira Adigata. The Guru from whom you are studying, suppose because of their prarabdha, their vasanas, suppose they commit any mistake also, because of their prarabdha, adhina shariram. Their shariram also adhinam to what? Prarabdha, their own prarabdha. Prarabdha shariradigata. That in the body, that Guru is doing some wrong actions because of their prarabdha. Guna Gana Kirtana Mantara. Without Guna Ganam Kirtana means never talk about those Guru's actions, doshas. Because the Guru is doing this dosha, this he is talking like this, is having anger, is something, feeling comes in the mind. Suppose. For that you don't have choice. But talking ill of that Guru, dosha darshanam, dosha kathanam. Dosha darshanam is natural for the mind. You cannot avoid. You are helpless. Guru is committing mistakes and your mind is thinking it is a mistake. But dosha kathanam, you have a choice. Don't utter, don't say outside, this is the mistake done by my Guru, if at all it is there. Anytime shouting or talking or anything, whatever, my Guru said like this to me, like that, should not think like that. If at all according to their prarabdha it happens, gunagana kirtanam antara, without any Guru's doshas, without their kathanam, without telling outside, you have to keep quiet regarding that. How long? Lifelong. How difficult it is. கொஞ்ச நாள் குரு பக்கத்தில் இருந்து, and they come to know all Guru's weaknesses, because every human being is having weakness, small weaknesses, and this student knows, I know everything about my Guru, and they come and out and they exploit. Nowadays we are seeing many ashramas, how they are doing. That is the Mahapatakam, Shastra says. In Guru Gita it tells, thinking about ill of Guru, talking ill of Guru, anything we do, Mahapatakam that is. Even for that no prayaschittama, no remedy also. Guru Ninda, there is no prayaschittam for them. என்னென்ன பண்ண போகிறான்னு பண்ணுறதுக்கு பாயஷ்டித்தமே இல்லை, அவ்வளோதான், வரவே கூடாதுன்றார். அப்படி சொல்கிறார் பாருங்க. ஸ்ரீ சத்குரு prarabdha karmadhina shariradigat. You can understand easily. Sanskrit is very simple. Gunagana kirtana mantara. Without that, tannishtha doshanam anucharanameva. That Guru gata dosh. Tannishtha means in that Guru, if there are any doshas are there, anucharanam, never say outside. So Guru is so in tension, anxiety is there. Suppose Guru is under tension, Shishya should not tell, Guru, don't have any tension. Sollakudadu. Don't have anxiety. You don't tell outside. Anucharanameva. Don't worry. Sollakudadu Guru kitta poi. Students, they take it as granted. Koncham closer vandanna appuda jagrata irukanu. Whoever comes closer to the Guru, it is not a joke. Appuda nama chandam enna velila varum. Sishyanukke chandam kuda velila varum. Eppadi how the Shishya is behaving. Illa adukku dhaan doorama irukkenna. Doorama irukkiyo kitta irukkiyo adu unude prarabdham, Guru prarabdham. You cannot decide. You have to behave in such a way, whether Guru is far or near, close, familiar or not familiar, your behavior should be very, very clear. If at all you have done lot of prayaschitam, illen solren theriyala, prayaschitam irukko illiyo, adukku 10 manangalo seva pannanum, avladhaan. Edavadhu pannitavana by mistake, tannishtha in Guru gata na artham. Tannishtha in that Guru, whatever doshas are there, doshanam anucharanam, not uttering outside, is called vagarpanam. Appadina another silent, don't talk about Guru. If at all Guru is having the good qualities, praise them, but any doshas are there, keep quiet. In manasula kuda varakudadu. Swapne appinu sonnar, ipo vaakku moolama kuda. But there are some disciples of some people, they just shouted, and even they remove that Guru, they worship sometime Guru, and afterwards because of anger, because of some clash, they remove that Guru photo also. அது ஒரு பாப பிராரப்தம். அப்படி நடந்ததுன்னா ஃபார் எனிவன் இட்ஸ் எ பாப பிராரப்தம். வெரி வெரி பேட் பிராரப்தம் இருந்தால் தான் அப்படி நடக்கும். Same Guru whom I worshipped, I love, if I hate such a Guru, that means Shastram Puriyala and Artham. Shastram Purinja, I can never reject my Guru. Understand? That's why the footnote also says, आदौ ज्ञानाप्तये पश्चात् कृतघ्नत्व निवृत्तये यावज्जीवं त्रयो वन्द्याः वेदांतो गुरुरीश्वरः. श्वेताश्वतर उपनिषत् वैसा. Lifelong three you have to worship: Vedanta, Guru and Ishvara. First I worship for the sake of jnana. Later I worship my Guru to show my gratitude, to avoid my ingratitude. Kritagnatva nivrittai. Ella mudichachu padichachu ininga Guru edukku. Guru Dakshina lifelong I have to offer, and whatever way I can offer, whatever way I can serve, whatever way I can remember, and propagating the Guru's teaching, or whatever Guru taught, living according to that teaching is great Guru Dakshina, best Guru Dakshina. Remembering the Guru all the time in my behavior, because of my Guru only I am able to live like this today. That itself is what great Guru Dakshina to Guru. So lifelong we have to worship Guru. We should not forget. Vagarpanam uchite. Next topic 120. Dhanarpanam. Dhanarpanam. Patni putra bhumi pashu dasi. Patni putra bhumi pashu dasi. Dasa dravya griha dhana dhanyanam. Dravya griha dhana dhanyanam. Dhanamiti loka prasiddhihi. Etat sarvam sanyasya Charanatvena Sri Sadguru Rupasadanameva Dhanarpanam uchyate Sanyasitvena Sarva Sangha Parityagasya Kritatvat Kritarthaha Sri Sadguruhu Na dhanadikam Kinchidapyapeksheta Sishyebhyaha Ataha eva Sarva parigraha tyaga purvakam Swarpanameva Gurave dhanarpanamityuchyate. Dhana arpanam. Dhanam means all forms of wealth in general. Dhanam. Dhanam means not only rupees or coins. Dhanam means all types of wealth. He says Patni is also one type of wealth. If you are a sannyasi, you are going to sannyasi Guru, you want to become a disciple of that sannyasi, you want to offer to Guru means you have to renounce everything. Sannyasi Guru Chet, suppose, he is talking to Brahmachari, okay, not Grihastha. You are already a Grihastha, don't worry, okay. For Brahmachari. Patni putra bhumi pasu dasi dasa. Patni, wife, putra, son, bhumi, land, pasu, cattle, dasis, maid servants, dasa, male servants, dravya, materials, and griha, house, dhanya, grains. Dhanamiti loka prasiddha. This is well known. What is dhanam? Idada dhanam. Etat sarvam sanyasya sharanatvena. You have to renounce everything. Brahmachari means already nothing is there, he can go. Suppose you are a grihastha, those who want to become a sannyasi, they can renounce everything and go to a guru. Whom they have to renounce, all this they have to renounce. Don't worry, grihastha, don't worry, you need not renounce. Mentally you renounce, okay. Physically don't renounce. Etat sarvam sanyasya sharanatvena. You have to renounce them all without attachment towards them. Sri Sadguroho Upasadanameva Dhanarpanam Uchyate. That alone is called Dhanarpanam. Pashu, Patni, Putra, Griha, Dasi, everything. You have to give up everything. You have to come to Sannyasi Guru. You are Sannyasi and the family order full. And with all money you come, you are becoming burden to that Sannyasi. That's why you also should be like that Guru Sannyasi and live with Sannyasi Guru, whatever he provides. Sannyasitvena Sarvasanga Parityagasya. Since that Guru is Sarvasanga Parityagi, renounce everything. Kritatvat Kritarthaha. Parityagasya Kritatvat. Since your Guru has already renounced everything, Pashu, Patni, Putra, everything, Griha, Dhana, Dhanyam, everything, Sri Sadguruhu Dhanadikam Kinchit Apeksheta Sishyebhyaha Nas Apeksheta. That Guru also never expect your gold, your money, your house. That Guru never expect anything from you. Your servants and all, Guru never expect. Because he is a sannyasi Guru, he don't want or she don't want anything. Kinchit api na apeksheta. That na you have to join here. Engirkana Sri Sadguru na is there. That na apeksheta sishyebhyaha. From Sishyas, he will not or she will not seek all of them. யாராவது கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொன்னால் வேண்டாப்பா எனக்கே நான் எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு வந்தேன் நீ எதுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்னு. Paramarthananda Swamiji, like that, many people offer their house. Old houses they cannot manage. Swamini, நீங்க எடுத்துக்கோங்க Swamiji. Swamiji ஐயோ நான் எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு வந்தேன் எனக்கு எதுக்கு இந்த house ன்னு சொல்லி Swamiji give to one house. Very like that. Many people want to give. Swamiji never take anything because it becomes a maha samsara. So I don't want anything. Adu madri I have to say no. If anybody want to give anything, there is a potential threat in that. We have to say no. I don't want. Ataha eva sarva parigraha tyaga purvakam. Sarva parigraha, all possessions one has to drop. Sarva swarpanameva gurave swarpanam. One's own arpanam, that is Gurave, for Guru. Dhanarpanam ityuchyate. This is one type of Dhanarpanam. If Guru is Sannyasi Guru. Suppose Guru is Grihastha Guru. He is telling now. Yedi syad Guruhu Grihashrami. Grihashrami tada sarvam dhanam. Tasma eva samarpayet ime videhaha ayam ahamasmi itivat ayam aparo dhanarpanam prakaraha o dhanampanam prakaraha. Another way of dhanarpanam is this. Just like Janaka said to Agnavalkya in 4th chapter, 2nd Brahmanam, 4th mantra, Kurcha Brahmanam. He says, Ime Videhaha. I, the Janaka Maharaja of this Videha kingdom, I am Ahamasmi. I am here. Everything belongs to you, he says to Agnavalkya. Like that, Agnavalkya is a Grihastha. Yedi Syat Guruhu Grihashrami. Suppose the Guru is a Grihashrami, Grihastha. What is this Shishya has to do? Tada Sarvam Dhanam Tasmai. Tasma is there. Tasma means Tasmai Eva Samarpayet. May you offer to that Guru. If that Guru is a Grihasthashrami. Now, we are keeping all our possessions and studying Vedanta. I want moksha, mumukshuna. Vairagya vengirikappa. So at least mentally you must have a sannyasi mind. Never have any possessiveness. Let them be there, let them use other members in the family. I don't have any attachment with anything. That mind at least if we have, well and good. Okay? We are not demanding or commanding your position or wealth. But Antara Sannyasam, we have to tremendously develop. Aham mama jagaha eva sarva arpanam. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Guru Bhyo